Donkey shits?
Donkey shit food? Wait, what? No, I just made that up.
Dog, what
Is it? Yeah. I
Bro.
thought it was like XQC always saying dog shit.
Yeah, XQC is not Gordon Ramsay.
Did you watch the Kitchen Nightmares? His television
I
show?
love those, yeah. Of course.
Oh, damn.
On YouTube, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Rain is almost done already. Let's go.
Guys, she's on me. She's mad, bro. She's fucking mad.
She's pulling hatchets.
She's putting her shot.
Go for
Corrupt
the 5
intervention.
gens. Balerion.
No.
Balerion.
Balerion.
Go for the 5 gens. Go for it, bro.
Papa Jen. I wanna
She
fight for
switched
you.
targets, bro. What the?
She knows I'm a fucking pro gamer, bro. You know, right? She left me.
Ooh, sana all.
I just teabag her and show her who's her daddy, you know, right? Damn. Bro, let's do it, damn. Bro, to be honest, I feel very sad for the people who use cheat in Dead by Daylight. I guess they've wasted the money, bro. Right? Come on. Use cheat in this particular game, man. Come on.
I don't spend any money on games.
Yeah, like, bro, it's understandable, bro. CG is a hard game. You can't like shoot. You're a pussy potato, you know. It's fine. But bro, what about Dead by Daylight, bro? This game even don't have comps, bro.
What the fuck, bro? Hell no.
Bro, she's very dumb, bro. She's a razor. Damn. Oh, I see her shooting her hatchets at you, man. Naughty, naughty. I can help you. If you go down under a pallet.
What the fuck, bro? That was good. Yeah, you got it.
No,
What?
it's too late, man.
Oh my goodness.
Too late,
Everything I taught you, you forgot.
Bro, I thought
Yeah,
like
I
bro,
got you now.
timing. Shit. Timing, bro.
You blinded me.
Are you wiggling out?
It's all your fault,
There we
Balerion.
go.
Bro, what the fuck? Flashlight gone, bro. Naughty, naughty.
Let's heal.
Bro. Mommy, tell me how to make buko pie. Just kidding.
Wow.
Damn, just kidding.
As soon as he knows that he's going out of the territory, just kidding.
Are you using the other hand?
Yeah,
Oh my god, bro.
Bro!
Are you playing oh my god, I don't wanna.
Damn, are you playing?
Are you holding the mouse with your left hand, bro?
Oh god.
Whoa, what? Whoa. Bro, and what are you doing with your right hand, bro?
What the fuck?
Oh my
It's
god.
It's my fault.
Sam got it right. Oh, somebody use the item and put the blank item in the basement. What the hell?
Maybe Balerion using his feet.
Whoa, what? Bro, bro, what the hell? People think fetish, bro. Like, what the hell? Kinky people here, bro.
Only feeds.
Only feet, yeah, only feet, bro.
Popping.
Yeah, let's go.
He has his, you know, he has his like 40k subscribers
for the
on his
save.
only for his only feeds.
Yeah, not like lesbiana, bro.
He plays DBD with his feeds and he live streams. That's it.
Bro, what the hell?
And now he's
Too easy.
coming. He's
Oh, shit.
coming.
She's coming here, bro.
No
Damn.
way, dude. Go.
She's looking at
I'm
me.
blessing this one.
No. Very good.
So if you're going down, I have the expo. Take time.
Distract.
Yeah,
Expo
yeah,
down.
take-
Go. Oh, he's
Need to
He's
get my
reloading,
flashbang.
reloading,
Distract,
reloading,
distract.
reloading.
Naughty, naughty. She's being naughty, naughty.
Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go.
Oh no!
No, you shouldn't have dropped it, bro.
So sorry.
Oh no! Don't go down.
Sorry.
Bro, free YouTuber head.
Heal, heal, heal. I can help.
I'm down.
Oh no, I picked up so fast.
Uma down, Uma.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
I am.
Oh, never mind.
Uma down with Lutong.
Uma down. Next, Balerion.
Next lady.
No. On you know, right?
Anya.
Oh yeah, on you. I'm not going down right now, you know, right? Yeah. I'm
One
gonna
Reloading.
bro.
Let's go, let's go.
Did you got a message, bro? Right now?
Message from
Going
yeah, I
to-
got a message. How do you know that? Did you heard it,
No, because I also got it.
bro? Where did you got it? Are we on a common thingy, bro?
I think so.
Are we on a common thingy, bro? Bro, what happened to the sinful deeds,
Oh
bro?
no, that was clean.
That was a clean shot. You know, right? You know, right?
Too clean,
You
too
come
clean,
back
too
to
clean.
the tractor, like other side of the main building. Oh.
Uh-huh.
Alright, where are you? Are you at Killer Shack?
Killer shot?
You where are you?
Naughty.
Killer Shack. Okay, okay, okay.
Uma, are you blessing a totem?
No.
Can you bless it, please? So I can bless on yours, you know?
Oh, I
Yeah.
just cleanse it.
Oh my god, bro. You
He's
throw
gonna,
it.
he's here. She's there, she's there.
Killer Shack?
If you find
Yeah?
her, let me
I'm
know.
going.
Naughty, naughty.
Okay, if I find a totem, I cleanse it again.
Bro! Bro, so no tongue for you, no tongue for you.
I'll
No
destroy
tongue for-
all the totem for you.
Oh my god. No tongue for you then.
Let
no
me help
tongue.
you. I think there's another one there. Yeah, bless
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
And come here. You can do this last check.
No!
I'm here.
Are you with a flashbang, buddy?
Yes, buddy. Pow.
Let's go.
Damn.
Bro, he told me, guys, pop. Oh, you guys taking some time. Okay, fine,
Mortuko.
fine.
Can you flash the eyes of Balerion?
Bro. No one,
Bro, I can just tell from her
One
expressions,
time only,
she's
one
having too
time.
much fun, bro.
Bro, people are targeting me, bro.
Sam is having too much fun, bro. Sam is-
People targeting, bro. You know, like, I'm not safe here. China #1. If you
Not
don't
to
say-
save
look at
for
her, she's behind
Balerion.
me. Behind me.
Where's the gen that you guys are doing?
Oh, he saw me. Karma is real.
Yeah, see? See? You don't say China #1 and she's here.
I'm so sorry. No, it's going to you, I think. No.
No. She knows. Oh, she work for China. Oh, no. She don't work for
He's
China.
with
Bro,
you now. I
Oh,
told
no,
you.
yes.
You're the next one.
she's gone.
Full on, bro.
Utong.
Damn. I'm doing this shit.
Oh shit, she's on me, bro. I'm dead. I'm motherfucking dead. Oh, she missed that. Haha.
Did you enjoy your the flashbang save?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Did you?
Yeah, of course. I was like, you would miss, bro, but you.
Run in the
clapped
pallet.
it.
I told you.
No, you're not. No.
Oh shit, bro.
Tickets, guys, tickets.
Animation.
I'm prepping.
I
The
made him
front,
fucking
front.
swing. Let him know.
No.
Expo.
I dropped it. Okay.
Thank you, bro.
No worries, man. He might pick up. He might. Yeah, he's picking up.
She's naughty,
He
bro.
ran too
She's
far.
This one is almost 99.
Oh, 99.
Oh, nice.
99.
No, don't do it again, bro.
I'll go for the same. Let's go. Open the gate.
99, let's
I'm gonna
go.
open it. Open it.
What
the? I'll take time.
It's fine, it's
I'll
fine.
take time.
Yeah.
Oh.
Get cheese.
I'm over here. Come get me. Yes. Good boy.
Good
Oh,
boy.
he's gonna come back.
Oh,
It's fine, it's fine,
baby.
it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Go,
Run,
go,
guys, run!
run! I'm
Run!
opening it.
Open,
I'm
open,
opening
open,
it.
open, open,
Open the
open,
utang,
open.
open the
Sesame.
utang.
Guys, protection hits.
Yep, I'm here, I'm here.
Oh, he's happy. He's nodding. He's happy with us.
Bro, I just back the shit out of her, bro. Damn.
Too easy.
Too easy, bro.
Let's quit the game, bro. Let's play Siege. Too easy.
Yeah, let's play Siege, bro.
though, right?
No, I'm just kidding, bro.
Okay, good.
Too easy. Let's quit the game.
Oh,
Yeah.
isa Filipino. Kinilaw ng manok.
I'm gonna say utong. Bye, utong. Bye, utong. No response, response from Utong, bro. Damn. Oh, he's abusing, bro. What the fuck? Nothing.
What is he saying? Ha 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 ha.
What is she saying?
He
Naughty
said
girl.
that this game is so hard.
Nothing.
Who's Kinilao na manok?
Bro,
That's a
That's
kind
not
of
the
a
killer?
dish. Kind of a dish.
Is that the killer? Because this person Kinilao na manok
Kinilaw ng manok is
sent me a friend request.
Oh,
Is that the killer?
yeah.
Oh. But why?
Damn. Buko pie.
¿Por qué?
Oh shit.
Where are you from again? Malaysia, right? Mortuko?
No.
Pakis?
I live here. I've
But-
lived here my whole life. But my mom is Japanese.
Ah, yeah,
my father
Japanese.
is Swiss.
Oh,
I'm Swippanese, Eurasian mix.
damn.
Japanese.
Yeah, much better than Japis.
Yeah, more better
Japanese.
than Ping Pong, bro. China number one. You know?
Hinad na kita.
No.
China number one. You know, right?
At
No.
China number. Filipino number 1.
India
No,
number
that's
one.
Ano yan? 6830.
Naughty, naughty. Did you add the Filipino person?
Bro,
Yeah,
Cookie
yeah.
is taking more time, bro, than 30 minutes.
Bro, Sam, what is he doing in the bedroom?
What is he doing, bro?
I don't know.
Is he?
Easy.
Oh, is he with his like? Oh my god, I don't want to see.
Is he with the roller coaster ride? You know, right, Sam?